Hi, I welcome you to my training session. Today, I will train with you. I will give you positions where you need to find the best answers. Some of them will be tactical, some of them will be strategical, and we will count the points. Each answer will bring you the number of points. Don't forget after the video to share in the comments below the video how many points you get. I want to make you better in chess, and that's why let's train together. My name is Pavel, subscribe to the channel, and let's start. Let's start our training. The first one position is really easy. Black to move, find the best move for black. It's really like for just warm up. I hope that everybody will figure out these tactics. You can press pause if you want and find the decision, but I hope that most of the players are already see how to gain an advantage in this position with black. And let me present you the right answer. The right answer is queen goes a5. The idea of this move that I'm basically attacking two pieces at the same time, the rook and the knight. And if the rook goes somewhere, I'm going bishop takes g5 winning. If queen goes c3 trying to block it and change the queens, I have bishop b4, and unfortunately white still losing. After queen a5, Gurevich decided to resign to Gadakamsky, who played black in this situation. The vision of the board is very important skill of the chess player. If you have troubles with this, solve more tactical puzzles. That will definitely help you. And we are moving to the next training position. This is the piece of the game of Paul Morphy. He played black, and here I will have two questions in this game for you. So first of all, how to play with black. I can give you the hint that again is a tactical stuff first of all here. You can again press stop, pause, and try to find the solution. But you need to see the whole variation, honestly, till to the very end. So in this situation, Morphy decided to play the only one winning opportunity. Knight goes g3. So the idea is that if you will take the queen on h7, I will go knight a2, and there's a beautiful checkmate with the pair of knights. So queen d4 was in the game. Knight a2, it's a fork. King h1. And again here, let's try to find the best move for black, how to win in this position. And if previous moves give you, let's say like this, like a point, the first example on this one, here I will say something after you will try to check the decision. Let's see. The right answer here is queen goes h2. After the king h2, rook h8, unfortunately for black, because the knight and all these two squares is unpreventable. I can say that that is the hardest decision, and you can give yourself a point. But if you wanted to play knight takes d4, c takes d4, queen b1, and you saw this variation that you're trapping the rook, you can give yourself half of the point. It's still winning. It's honestly winning, but it's not that hard. And we are always trying to find the hardest decision in the game. And we are moving up to the next examples. And by the way, don't forget, if you like my content and if you like to train with me, you can write me. The contents are below the video, and we will have a chess coaching together. Moving up, we are coming to the hardest position probably in our training. Here is white to move, and we need to manage the best move for white. Is the piece of the game of Efrem Geller. He played white, and we will have several tasks in this game. And basically we'll even analyze this game because it's really interesting. So how to continue with white? Well, you can press pause, or you can get a small hint from me. The hint is that we are attacking the king of black, and our queen and our rook are very active, but something is preventing our final checkmating here, and we need to define this something and do something with this. So in this position, white are really having all chances to win, honestly. And this answer, I can say, will give you 2 points, the right answer, because it's only one move basically, and it's very hard. So you can count yourself 2 points. Let's see. The nice move is knight e3. The problem is that the knight from e5 annoying us because he prevents the queen f7 check with the checkmating, and we want to trade this main defending piece of black with our knight, the best move in the position. So black decided to play knight g7. The idea that after knight f5 they want to play rook f8, how it was. Intermediate move, knight f7, takes on h5. And here Geller started a very nice combination. Very hard, you can try to find it by yourself, but I won't give this as a task because it's really very complicated. He played in this position knight d5. We will see why this move is very important in future. E takes d5, check, king g7. And we need to manage how to continue the attack with white. It can give you also 1 point if you will find the best decision for white. Let's try. Let's really try. So you can press pause because I'm going to name the right answer. And the right answer here is queen f7. 2 points for this move. If you manage to play bishop d4, you can give yourself a 1 point because it's still winning after bishop f6, takes, king h6, queen d2, g5, h4. Like if rook g8, then f7. The attack of white is basically unpreventable, but that's not that hard again, like queen f7, and honestly not that beauty. So for bishop d4, 1 point, for queen f7, 2 points. Rook takes f7, rook takes f7, king h8, that is forced, bishop d4. And here we see why knight d5 move was so important. Before the pawn was on e6 and e5 was an opportunity. Right now the pawn on d5. And after bishop d6, from the very beginning, bishop f6, I'm sorry, from the very beginning, you need to see rook takes f6 winning the position automatically. If you didn't see rook f6 here, and you drop the queen to f7 just for the luck, honestly, you didn't deserve the points. And this position, black resigned because I want to go rook f8 checkmate. On knight g7, I will go rook f7 winning this position. And it's like nothing helps here for black to keep themselves in the game. So thanks for attending for my practical lesson. Don't forget to share how many points share in the comments how many points you got here, which questions you had, what do you think about the positions in general, and about the style of the video, because if you like this, we will repeat this. Thank you very much for staying with me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and good luck in chess.